Problem 13, we need to write a quadratic equation that meets these characteristics. It's got x-intercepts at -7 and -3, and it passes through a point. This is like an arbitrary point, -1, 12. Intercept form, let me just write what intercept form looks like. It's y equals a, which is kind of our stretch factor. If it's quadratic, it's going to be x minus p, p representing one of the intercepts, and q, x minus q, the other x-intercept. These are the x-coordinates of those intercepts. Intercepts technically are points, -7, 0, -3, 0. And so this is p right here. And let's let that be q. It doesn't matter the order, but you get the idea. And then this point can be considered x and y. Now, in this equation, you notice we have 5 letters, x, y, p, q, and this a. And it's the a that we need to be sure we know what that is. So we find this by substitution. We'll just substitute the appropriate values for each of the letters we know, leaving a unknown, and solve. So y is 12. A is what we want to know. X is -1. Subtract p, subtract -7 is +7. And then here's x again, -1. Subtract q, which is -3, so subtracting -3 is +3. Let's simplify our expressions there. This -1 plus 7 is 6. And this -1 plus 3 is 2. So simplifying a little further before solving, we have 12a divided by 12. You can see pretty easily that a is going to be 1. So our equation is y equals, we don't even need, if a is 1, we'll just leave that blank, and it's going to be x plus 7 times x plus 3. In our second problem here, we want to write in vertex form. Vertex form is this, y equals, again we have kind of a stretch factor, a, x minus h, h being the x-coordinate of the vertex, plus k. So we have 5 letters up here once again. H and k represent the vertex. So h is -3, k is -2, and we have this point that the parabola passes through, 1, -10. So like the previous problem, we'll just substitute. Y is -10 equals a times, and we have an x value of 1 minus h minus -3, so that's plus 3, square that, plus a -2, or let's just put -2. Notice that inside there, this squaring term, we're subtracting. So this 3, if I were saying what's the vertex of this, it would be -3, and it's not, the sign isn't changed out here, -3, -2. Anyway, let's proceed. We have -10 equals a times 4 squared minus 2. Simplify that a little further. 4 squared is 16, so we have 16a minus 2. We're going to add 2 to both sides to continue. And we get negative 10 plus 2 is negative 8 is equal to 16a. So divide by 16 to solve for a. And we get a is equal to negative 1/2. So now we can write our equation. Y is equal to negative 1/2. There's our a. X minus h, which was minus negative 3 or plus 3, squared minus 2k.